It's a 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Equal parts suave and stout, this multitasking Silverado is a powerful personality. It comes with all the amenities you need: Bluetooth, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Ecotec 3 engine, leather and metal look steering wheel, OnStar remote link, external memory control, trailer hitch receiver, AutoTrack 4-wheel drive, and OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
At Metropolitan Ford, you'll always get a great experience and a great price. Stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located off Plaza Drive in Eden Prairie.